Hey, everybody. Happy Tuesday. This is Zach from Hong Kong office. I am the Google Maps and AI lead for Asia Pacific. And today I'll walk you through some of the key updates from our Google Next 2026. There are two parts we're going to talk about. So the first part is our newest Ask Maps feature. And the second part is mobility innovation through our driverless car, Waymo. So we're going to start with a short video. All right, now let's dive deep into the key features of Ask Maps. Let me share the screen. So this is the article published by our GM and VP Google Maps platform team in Mountain View about Ask Maps key features. There are two parts we're going to talk about. The first part is Ask Maps into our consumer map. And the second part is this new feature called immersive navigation. So in a nutshell, Ask Maps is a new conversational experience by leveraging our Gemini 3.0. And this model can answer complex real-world questions within seconds. I'll give you an example. If you see here, for example, if my phone is dying and then I want to find a restaurant or a place where I can charge my phone without waiting for a coffee, I can simply just ask the question, my phone is dying, where can I charge it without having to wait in a long line for coffee? So previously, finding this information means lots of research and sifting through reviews, and it takes time, takes a lot of time for our end users to get the answer. But now you can just tap the Ask Maps button and then get your questions answered conversationally, interactively by our Gemini model with a customized map to help you visualize your options. And about the product roadmap, so Ask Maps starts rolling out now in the US and India on Android and iOS, with desktop coming soon. So stay tuned. And if you have any inquiries, any requests, interest in this specific product, you can always reach out to me or SPH for more information. All right, now let's take a look at the second feature I mentioned, which is immersive navigation. So immersive navigation is a new way for us to giving the driving experience in Maps its biggest update in over a decade. And this is a huge upgrade from our current navigation solution. I think many of you guys have already known that we have navigation SDK, and that can be embedded into the driver's app. But this immersive navigation solution is a vivid 3D view, and it reflects all the buildings, overpasses, and terrain around you. with redesigned visuals and more intuitive guidance. And again, the spatial understanding of your route is made possible with the help from our Gemini model. So we're leveraging Gemini AI agent, to do the analysis and also to get the real world imagery from street view and aerial pictures, photos, to give you an accurate view of things along your route, like landmarks and medians. So immersive navigation starts rolling out today across the US, and availability will expand over the coming months to eligible iOS and Android devices, CarPlay, Android Auto, and also cars with Google built in. All right, then next we're going to talk about Waymo. So Waymo is the new way of ride hailing, and it is the one-of-a-kind driverless experience. And we're glad to announce that Waymo just launched its first commercialization and official ride-hailing experience in Nashville, Tennessee. So Waymo's robo-taxi service opened up to first public riders in Music City this year, and will expand to more people on a rolling basis. So now interested riders in the US can hail a self-driving vehicle by downloading the Waymo app and waiting for an invite. So Waymo says its cars will also become available on Lyft app, which is a huge update, later this year, which should help to expand access. And Lyft will also manage the robo-taxi fleet, including vehicle maintenance and cleaning. So Waymo driverless cars are now expanded into 10 other metro areas, 10 major cities across the US. We have Phoenix, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Austin, Atlanta, Miami, Dallas, Houston, and also San Antonio, Orlando. And this year, we plan to expand to dozens of other cities in the coming months and years. So Nashville is, the first city in Tennessee where riders can hail a Waymo. So those are the updates from Google Next 26. Thank you for joining me for this session. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or SPH, and we will support your case together.